A user can choose to scan a receipt or view purchases. We're going to start with scanning a receipt. So this is the scan a receipt feature that is on Power Apps. So we are going to scan our receipt. Okay, so this is the picture of the receipt that I have already taken. So the user is gonna upload it, and then it's gonna load. Okay, so the details on the receipts are gonna appear on this form. The retailer name, the address, their telephone number. Unfortunately, on this slip there isn't a telephone number. The transaction date, the transaction time, the total. Uh, the text is not captured, and the user has to select the category. So we're gonna select meals and dining. The user has to enter their name. They also have to enter their email. And they also have to enter a comment. So we're going to say meeting with a client. This is the Power Automate flow. So I'm just gonna say test, and then go back to my app and submit this slip. It says here submitted successfully. So we're gonna go back to our flow. Okay, so once the user has submitted the receipt, the details on the form, they are submitted on a SharePoint list. We have a SharePoint list called receipt. Okay, this is the new receipt that we just submitted. There is the name of the person who submitted the receipt, their email address, the retailer name, the retailer address, the telephone number, transaction date, transaction time, the total, and the category. So we are going to go to my emails, and we are going to check for an email where the admin has to approve the expense. Okay, this is the email. Says receipt to be approved, and contains it contains the name of of the person who submitted the receipt, the category, the retailer name, the date, and the total. So the admin has to either approve or reject the expense. So Melissa, can you see my screen?
Yes, yes, we still can see your screen.
Okay, so we're gonna say reject.
Yeah, but I think our Outlook is still paused a little bit.
Sorry.
Outlook was a bit paused a little bit. Your screen was a bit frozen.
Okay, can you see it now?
Yes.
Okay, so we are going to reject this expense. And then the admin has an option to add a comment on why they rejected the expense. Okay, the expense has been rejected. The person who submitted the receipt or the expense will receive an email informing them that their expense request has been rejected. Okay, this is the email. It says expense rejected. Uh, this is the submitter's name, received to transaction date. It has the date and the retailer name has been rejected. Let's go back to our Canvas app. Okay, back to our Canvas app. We also have a gallery screen that shows all the submitted receipts. So far we only have 3. We're gonna choose the one that we submitted. Okay, let's choose this one. So after clicking that button, it shows all the details of the receipt that was submitted, the retailer name, the address, the transaction date, and the list of the purchased items and their total. And that brings me to the end of my presentation. Thank